Day 5 of exploring extension for the entire back body on the trusty step barrel. Today we're going to combine the thoracic extension with the lower back and leg hip extension. So we can do this in a couple of different ways. I'm going to start off with our frog and our basic extension here. So hips are on top of the apex of the barrel to be able to do this. Your legs are turned out, heels are glued together, big toes are touching the floor. Hands are placed on the mat. So you're going to lift your tummy, pressing your pubic bone forward, pulling wide and down through the shoulders. Now slowly lift the legs and the upper back at the same time. And then slowly lower and come back down. So exhale, pubic bone pushes forward, shoulders pull wide and down. And we're going to come up, following your eye line. And then slowly coming down. Good. So that's number 1, where we combine the exercises we've done. Now we can take the legs straight. Lifting the abdominals is a beautiful prep for swimming. Lift the abdominals, reach forward through the upper back, lifting one leg in the opposite arm, and come down. And lift the other leg in the opposite arm, making sure you're not jamming forward. You're still sliding the arm bone down into the shoulder socket. And exhale to lift and come down. As you inhale, exhale to lift and come down. Doing that 3, 4, 5 times and then relax. And you can come back into child's pose. And then coming up. And of course, then you can follow on and you can do all of the beautiful extension work up here. You can do swimming, you can do the swan dive, you can do any of those other exercises, but now your body knows how to go into those beautiful ranges of motion. You've done lots of prep work, you've improved your skill level with both extending your hips and extending your thoracic spine. Enjoy.